Hi, today in this video we show you how to make these super cute and simple paper flowers. They are made only of paper strips and some glue, and they are quite easy to make. You can use this flower like an embellishment for your I don't know, your in this way, or as a for a package in this way as an embellishment, or you can use them as a bookmark with this wooden stick, and I will show you how to make them. Okay, you need one paper strip, a toothpick, and then you will need to do in this way. So you can start to roll around the toothpick, and then you can continue and go on only with your hand if you prefer. And this way is the same as creating paper beads. You can see I had uploaded a video on this channel about paper beads, and then you can do in this way. So I haven't seen this one is a little shorter. Wow, here in this way. Then you can do this for each petal, and then put a little glue, and voila, your petal is formed. Now you will need to do in this way. So okay, I have prepared my other 4 petals. You can do it in the same way. So here in this way, and then in this way, and the same for this one. Now we will have to create our flower, and our flowers will be made of 5 petals. Now with the glue, you will glue in this way here, and then here. It's better to glue 2 petals together, and then the last one. Okay, okay, sorry, voila. Okay, now these 2 together, and the last one we will need to glue both sides. Okay, and here you have your petal, your flowers with 5 petals. Now if you want, you can glue a pearl like this one that I bought in a €1 shop, or a piece of paper, as you prefer. I like this, and it's quite easy to do. Now leave it to dry. Okay, and now we can create the 2 leaves. It's quite easy to make the leaves with a pair of scissors. You can design a sort of leaf in this way. It's quite easy, even for a beginner. You need only to go in this way, and then in this way. Okay, your leaves are ready, and then with your toothpick you can round your leaf in this way, the same for the other one, And now glue your leaves on the back of the flower. Okay, in this way. And now your flower is ready. And if you want, you can take this wooden stick upcycle and glue your flowers. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and like my videos, and see you next time with a new idea. Thank you so much. Bye bye.